Hi friends, welcome to my channel, series of cooking for beginners. Today I will make an easy breakfast recipe. Baked beans is an English breakfast, usually very bland, so we will add a little bit flavor to these baked beans. So let's get started. I'm going to add a little bit of grated garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic all the way till it's nice and brown. Now that my garlic is nice and brown, I'm going to add half of these white onions. I'm reserving the other half for garnishing. I'm going to add half of the green onions. So this is spring onions. I'm going to go in with the tomatoes. Now this is optional. Again, I'm going to reserve a little bit for garnishing. You may skip the tomatoes because we already have, the baked beans is already in tomato sauce. So you can skip the tomatoes, but I just wanted to give a fresh twist to this recipe. To this, I'm going to add my baked beans. You can use whichever baked beans you have. So just give it a quick stir in the can. And there goes in my baked beans. Add whatever spices you want. So I have gone with mixed herbs. This is Italian seasoning. So a generous amount of good spice over here. I'll add a little bit of my garlic powder. In goes a little butter. So what we have done here is we have thickened the sauce. So it's nice and thick and will go well on a buttered toast. In goes my boiled corn. In goes spring onions. In goes a little butter. A generous amount of spice. So we are ready with my corn salad. I'm toasting the breads on both the sides. Let's go ahead and plate my toast.